Support Martian Heritage Week. Because the Red World can do without another low-gravity golf course. Coming up, the latest news from the museum.
Still life number 18. Exoplanetary Archaeology Series, depiction of a decorative scroll urn, recovered from Hausdorff South, Trappist 1D. Iteration layer, circa 1,500 local cycles BT. In iterative times, members of the ruling class would commit a scroll to memory and then burn it as a sign of wealth and mental prowess. The gilded reliefs illustrate key scenes from the scroll, in this case a history of invasions. Ironically, the practice of scroll burning has resulted in most of their accomplishments going up in smoke.
Flora number 8. Exoplanetary Biology Series, rainbow funnel ferns, Tracheophyta infundibulum, are found across most of northern Talaria on Kepler 62e. The eponymous fronds collect dew and conduct it to the roots ahead of the long summer season. The jostle of ferns in the wind generates infrasound, which protects the plants from predators. The noise from fully hydrated plants is sufficient to cause nausea and vomiting in humans.
Still life number 19. Treasures of the New Toronto Museum of Exoplanetary Archaeology. Depiction of a brooch liberated from neo-corsairs by the Antiquities Recovery Unit at NTMEA. Provenance identified by palynology and stylistic analysis as the Sierpinski plains on Kepler 186f. Spatial layer, circa 200 local cycles BT. Excellent example of modified mass production, as the base was 4D printed and then meticulously phase bonded to metallic and organic decorative elements by a skilled artisan.
Still life number 20. Treasures of the New Toronto Museum of Exoplanetary Archaeology. Depiction of reconstructed bioelectric circuitry from the ruins of a personal flying vehicle. Recovered at Hausdorff East on Trappist 1D, echoic layer, circa 400 local cycles BT. Encoded with a metallic resin, such parts were tuned to individual owners for purposes of security and flight control. To this day, the proximity and mental state of the occasional visitor interact to trigger a transient electrical response in the material.
Check back for more news from distant worlds.